AI rating jobs usually have a higher earning potential than traditional survey sites, but they are harder to qualify for, and the work is less predictable. If your goal is maximizing hourly income instead of completing the largest number of tasks, that difference matters. By the end of this video, you'll know which option is more likely to pay better in 2026, what the trade-offs are, and which one fits your situation. Here's the direct answer. In many cases, legitimate AI rating platforms pay more per hour than standard survey websites because the work requires better attention to detail, language skills, or subject knowledge. Survey sites are generally easier to join, but individual surveys often pay less and are not always available when you want them. The work is also different. AI rating platforms ask you to evaluate chatbot responses, compare search results, label images, review text, or check whether AI-generated answers follow specific instructions. Companies hire people because human judgment is still needed to improve AI systems. The work can feel repetitive, but it is usually more specialized than answering consumer surveys. Survey sites focus on market research. You answer questions about shopping habits, products, entertainment, or daily life. The qualification process is often based on your demographic profile. That means you may spend time answering screening questions only to discover that you do not qualify for the survey. The biggest mistake is comparing advertised rates instead of actual earnings. A platform may advertise high-paying tasks, but if those tasks are rarely available, your effective hourly income can be much lower. The same applies to survey sites. A large number of available surveys does not automatically mean you'll qualify for them. If you're choosing AI rating work, stick to established companies with clear payment terms and avoid any platform that asks for an upfront fee. Legitimate employers pay you for completed work. They do not charge you for access to tasks. If you're using survey sites, redeem your rewards regularly and read the minimum payout requirements before investing significant time. For someone like Alex who has strong English skills and can follow detailed instructions, AI rating work is often the better long-term choice if positions are available. For someone who wants quick, flexible tasks without an application process, survey sites may be easier to start, even if the earning potential is lower. The bottom line is simple. AI rating jobs generally offer the higher earning potential per hour, while survey sites are usually easier to access and require fewer specialized skills. Choose the option that matches your experience, use reputable platforms, and remember that neither is guaranteed or consistent full-time income. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe for more honest online earning guides, and check out the next comparison on the channel.